Well, I hope that there's cohesion and coordination of policy positions and principal positions from the EPP. Politics is always about people, and governments are about making decisions. And Europe has quite a number of challenges up ahead, not just to mention the Brexit situation, also the issues of security, of migration, but also affecting the real lives of people, jobs and opportunity and careers for all the young people. And to look years ahead, when Europe will become the oldest region on the planet, with a reducing number in terms of population. We've got to make arrangements politically to deal with those changed circumstances. And I do hope that the EPP, in its deliberations at the meeting here in Malta, will agree on a set of those proposals for the future. It's very important for our people.